I'm gonna show you how to add products to your Amazon influencer account. It's real simple to do. As you see, I opened mine up yesterday and I already added a lot of products. Go here to the top left. I'm gonna click on it and just show you my influencer account. Click right here. And you can scroll down and I'm gonna go to my page. As you see, I have some bounties here. You just click here and you can post it. You can look at my previous video. It's a link in the description on how to open up this account. And you notice that I got all of these, they call them create an idea lists. So I created all these lists. Say for instance, I want to add something to this list. It's pretty simple to do. Say for instance, I want to add, let's just say welding machine. I want to add this welding machine here. I click on it. And if you go to the right where you see add a cart, you'll see add to list. You click that drop down. You scroll down, you can add it to any of these lists you want to. I'm gonna just say add it to bestseller list. Click on it. You can see add it to bestseller. So if I go here and I click on my bestseller, it's gonna update. As you can see, it added it right there. So that's all you have to do. We'll add one more. Let's say these pliers. I'm gonna click on it. Go to the right. It says add to list. You can go down. You can add it to any of these lists. Let's say the Mercedes parts. We're gonna click on it. So if I go to my influencer, where Mercedes, click on it. You notice that it added it. And that's all you have to do.